Terrence Lewis from LewisHelps. I know you guys been watching. I know you guys been following the progress of this. If you haven't, you need to, so don't forget to like and subscribe and share. Thumbs up, you know the whole nine. We've been in this property for a long time. Not really. It only took us 15 days. It's time to show you guys the inside. Let's go take a look. I'm gonna walk you guys around here really quick. It's just a one bedroom, which is why it only took us a little bit of time to get in here. It's just a one bedroom house. Ceiling fans, windows, carpet, baseboard, paint, doors, electrical outlets, light switches, clean closet, bathroom. Kept the original bathroom top and just painted the bottom. And you can see my cameraman. That's why all of my shots are at an angle. We just reglazed the tub, so we just had the guys professionally come in and reglaze it. Okay. All right, new over the range vent hood. Came in here, we kept the original granite countertops, painted the cabinets, put some trim work up top, added some hardware, new stove, new vented. And so we just tried to keep with the original layout here. One thing that you may or may not notice is that these are a little bit different. This is where the stove used to be. So it used to have a countertop here, and the oven used to be here. So we had some doors framed up, and you know, just put those in. We also cut this out so we can actually get the dishwasher in. Oh, look, again, ceiling fan, built-in, and a laundry room. That's it. Really quick little property. Wasn't much at all to do here, but this is the finished product. So you guys got to take a look at it. Hope you guys liked it. There's a bonus to this property. Come take a look. Yes, it's a one bedroom with a carport, but voila, an extra guest room. Actually comes a cool little bonus because it actually comes with a little bonus room. Now, for an FHA buyer or something like that, we'll probably have to remove the stove, some different things, so they can not consider this a back house, but just put this thing right back together and you got a rental. And this is it. You got a walk-in closet. So you've got a whole kitchen here. You've got a bathroom up here. So we had it here. We just had to move some plumbing over to, too close to the wall. So we did that. Just framed it out a little bit. Got a nice mirror in here, nice vanity. And that is it. So thank you guys for taking the tour with me. And I'm out. Subscribe, share, thumbs up, support your boy for all things real estate. Subscribe to this channel, all right? This is Terrence Lewis, LewisHelps. I'm out.